So hello students, once again you are welcome in the class of IT, and we are doing our unit number 1, which is about the digital documentation advanced version. So yesterday, or we can say the previous classes we had done, or we just familiarized about the LibreOffice Writer, and we get to know that how to use the LibreOffice Writer, what are the features and which features we are going to use. So now it's time to start our session 1, because as you know that our unit is divided in the sessions, and it will include around 6 to 7 sessions, and then the unit will be completed. So the very first session of the applying styles in the document, we are going to understand how we can apply the styles in our document, how we can create our own styles, and how we can update a style, how we can delete it, and etc. So let's explore it together. So first we need to understand what we mean by styling. Styling means that we are processing our text. We are enhancing our text, in which the font size will be differ, the font style will be differ. We can in fact that we can give different kind of color to our text. So all this comes under the category of what? Styles. Okay, so styles in a word processor is a combination of font effects, colors, and background, such that it can be saved and applied whenever needed into the writer document. So what do you mean by the style? Style is a combination of font effects, color effect, and the background effects. You can also include the indentation. The indentation means that how much space it is taking towards the next line. That means कि कितना space वो ले रहा है next line के लिए, तो उसे अपने बोलते हैं indentation. ठीक है? Indentation point होते हैं 1.0 से start होके 1.5, 2.0, 2.5 इसके आगे सॉन चलते रहते हैं. ठीक है? तो इंडेंटेशन भी अपने डिसाइड कर सकते हैं कि हाँ मेरा जो पेज है, मेरा जो पैराग्राफ है, वो कितने इंडेंटेशन पॉइंट्स लेगा. तो जितने भी हम फॉर्मेलिटीज करते हैं, जितने भी हम फॉर्मेटिंग करते हैं हमारे टेक्स्ट में, उसे हम क्या नाम देते हैं? स्टाइलिंग. तो अपार्ट फ्रॉम द ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल स्टाइल्स, वी मे क्रिएट एंड सेव न्यू स्टाइल्स आल्सो. सो हम पहले से बने हुए स्टाइल्स को यूज कर सकते हैं, एज वेल एज वी कैन आल्सो क्रिएट आवर ओन स्टाइल. ओके, इन राइटर there are multiple ways to access the style that are available. Follow this step. So how can we access the style? Just simple the styles. Click on the style in the sidebar. Okay, or you can click on styles menu from menu bar of writer. A large set of styles and options are available. So we will find that there are so many type of style, there are so many types of templates being available in our writer document. So style help improve consistency in the document. Okay, they also make major formatting changes easy. अब क्या होता है कि जैसे हम लोग बहुत बड़े बड़े पैराग्राफ टाइप कर रहे हैं, हमारा जो लेटर है, एप्लीकेशन है, या कुछ भी जो हमारा सर्कुलर है, नोटिस है, वो बहुत लेंथी है, अराउंड इट इज अबाउट 2-3 पेजेस, और वी कैन से 10 to 12 पेजेस एक्सेट्रा. तो अब हम अगर स्टाइलिंग का यूज करते हैं, तो स्टाइलिंग क्या करेगा, हमारे पर्टिकुलर एक पैराग्राफ को भी हम सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, या अगर हमें पूरे ही डॉक्यूमेंट में स्टाइलिंग करनी है तो हम इसको एक साथ ही सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. So here you can understand that we can apply the styling to the whole page as well as to the segments of the pages also. So for example, we may want to change the indentation level of all paragraph different, or make the font in all headers or footers of a specific type. That means कि अगर हमें इंडेंटेशन पॉइंट्स अलग अलग करने हैं, लेवल्स अलग अलग करने हैं, या हमें हेडर और फुटर के अंदर केवल अलग स्टाइलिंग दिखानी है, बाकी जो हमारा मेन कंटेंट है, जो बॉडी कंटेंट है, उसके अंदर हमें स्टाइलिंग नहीं देनी है, तो हम एक सेलेक्टिव अप्रोच भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं, या हम एक क्या कर सकते हैं, कंबाइन अप्रोच भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं. तो कौन कौन सी स्टाइलिंग हमें प्रोवाइड करते हैं लिब्रे ऑफिस राइटर? पैराग्राफ स्टाइल आप कर सकते हो, फ्रेम स्टाइल, कैरेक्टर स्टाइल, लिस्ट स्टाइल, पेज स्टाइल एंड टेबल स्टाइल. सो यू नीड टू लर्न ऑल these style categories. It may come in your exam. Okay, the examiner can ask how many types LibreOffice Writer providing you the style categories. So your answer will be 6. And if it is asking the name, then your answer will be paragraph style, frame style, character, list, page, and table style. Very easy to understand and very easy to learn also. So here you can see that this is our style window, okay, in which you will find the character style, which will focus only on the text, paragraph style that will focus on the paragraph, frame style, as the name suggests, it will do the framing. Framing means that you will also include the photos, you will also include the text also, so that's what is called as the framing. Page style, yes, once again, as the name suggests, it will consider the page, that means how much border we are applying and how much type of header and footer we are going to give. So this will be treated as the page style. List style, it will consider the numbering. New style from selection, yeah, this is very important segment in which you can create or you can apply new style. Fill format mode, fill format mode we'll also going to cover it. And yes, table style, once again the name suggests, it will consider the table and its styling. Okay, so all this styling, all these frames, you need to learn it because it may be asked in your exam, so please go through it. So paragraphs are the building blocks of a document. So paragraph styles are the most used styles in Writer. So all the example we are going to look, we are going to concern about the paragraph only. Okay, yes. So now I'm going to show you how to use or how to access the style in LibreOffice Writer. So here is our LibreOffice 7.1 version. You can use it 6.1 or whatever the version you want to access. So I'm using here the latest one. And now I'm clicking on the Writer document. Yes, it is loading. Simply click on the OK. Now here is the first interface of LibreOffice Writer. Supposingly, I'm copying some kind of data, or I am writing any data. Just say styling. So for instance, I have written so much amount of text in my paragraph. So here you can see we have written around 256 words in a paragraph or in a document. So now we will see where we can find the style. So the very first option you may access here it from the sidebar. Here you can see style, or you can also access it from here. Okay. In the style, there will be a drop down list in which you can text, body, title, subtitle, heading, and etc. But if you want to access it as a window, then you must go with the sidebar, and here you will click on the style. Okay, then here you can see the style window. You will find here paragraph style, yes, then character style, frame style, page style, list style, table styles. Okay. And from here you can access the style actions. In the style action, you will find the new style from selection, updated selected style, or load style. We will discuss it further. And here it is the fill format mode. This is very important, fill format mode. So as you can see, we can access paragraph, character, frame, page style, list style, table style, fill format mode, and what style action from this style window. And if you want to close it, you simply click on this. Here you can see. So where you need to go, you need to go on the sidebar, and you need to click on this, and here your style tag will be open. Okay. So supposingly that if I need to apply styling in my paragraph, then I will select it first, because if I will not select it, then it will not apply my style on my text. Supposingly I'm selecting this, and I'm selecting this addresses. So now you can see let's see the appendix. Okay, here it is changing. Okay, appendix. And if you want to select this and change it as the quotation, here it is. You can find the difference. Now it has been changed. The previous one was so larger, and if I have applied the quotation style here, because it is about the paragraph style, then you can find the different output. Okay. Supposingly if you will click on the frame, then it will ask which kind of frame do you want to use. We are not going to use the frame style today because, or in the upcoming session, because it is not included in your course. If we will find the time, then we will apply the frame category also. Okay. So I'm hoping that you have understood how to access the style. So after understanding how to access the style, now we'll understand what is fill format mode. That means we are going to understand how to use fill format mode. फिल फॉर्मेट मोड का बहुत ही इजी सा कॉन्सेप्ट है कि जैसे कि आपने कोई स्टाइलिंग यूज की, अब वही सेम स्टाइल आप कहीं और भी फिल करना चाहते हो. मार्क माय पॉइंट, इफ यू वांट टू फिल दैट सेम स्टाइल फ्रॉम समवेयर एल्स, देन यू विल यूज द फिल फॉर्मेट मोड. ठीक है. सपोजिंगली आपने इस सेट ऑफ पैराग्राफ में एक बहुत ही अच्छी स्टाइलिंग की, आपने उसका इंडेंटेशन चेंज किया, आपने उसकी लुकिंग चेंज की, है ना. आप चाहते हो कि ये वाला जो सेम स्टाइलिंग मैंने दी है ये मेरे इस पैराग्राफ में भी आ जाए, तो मैं क्या करूंगा, फिल फॉर्मेट मोड का यूज करूंगा, वहां से फिल कर दूंगा मैं इस पूरे पैराग्राफ को. बट फॉर फिलिंग यू नीड टू व्हाट, select the paragraph first. Okay, if you will not select the paragraph, then it will not show you the appropriate output. Okay, so आपको क्या करना है, सबसे पहले अपनी स्टाइलिंग करनी है. फर्स्ट यू नीड टू स्टाइल योर पैराग्राफ, then you will click on the fill format mode. So let us explore it. We can use fill format mode to apply a style to many areas quickly without having to go back to the style deck and double click each time. Mark my point. What is the application of this fill format mode? If you do not want to go back to style deck again and again, and if you do not want to click on double click every time, then we can use the fill format mode. This method is useful for formatting scattered paragraphs, words or other items with the same style. Scattered paragraph का मतलब है जिस पैराग्राफ में बहुत सारे लाइनिंग यूज करते हैं, बहुत सारे वापस से उसमें सब पैराग्राफ से होते हैं, उसे बोलते हैं स्कैटर्ड पैराग्राफ. अब स्कैटर्ड पैराग्राफ है तो उसके अंदर मुझे अगर अपनी स्टाइलिंग करनी है, then I can use the fill format mode. Okay. And it may be easier to use the making multiple selection first and then applying a style to all of them. आपको क्या करना होगा, you need to select, you need to multiple select indeed, and then you need to just apply the fill format mode wherever you want to apply. Okay, so follow these steps to apply fill format mode. So what are these steps? First one is open the style deck and select a style, the very obvious one. First we need to apply any kind of style. For that we need to click on the style deck, and then second click on the fill format mode icon. Now what you need to do is you need to click on the fill format mode. To apply a paragraph, to apply a page, to apply a frame style, first we need to select it. Hover the mouse over the paragraph, page or frame and click. To apply a character style, hold down the mouse button while selecting the characters. Clicking on word applies the character style to that word. That means अगर आपको केवल एक word पे click करना है, then you need to select that word only. And if you want to select a paragraph, then you need to select that paragraph only. So what you need to do is just you need to hover the mouse. Hover the mouse, that means to drag the mouse only over that paragraph. Okay. Repeat step 3 until we have made all the changes for that style. And fifth step, to quit fill format mode, click on the icon again or press the escape key. So अगर आप वापस से fill format mode पे click करते हैं, that means आप fill format mode से बाहर आ गए हैं. और अगर आपको ऐसा नहीं करना है तो आप escape के की का यूज कर सकते हैं, ESC, जो आपके F1, F2, F3, F4 के बगल में ही होती है. तो वहां पर अगर आप क्लिक करेंगे तो आप fill format mode से बाहर आ जाएंगे. That means you are quitting the fill format mode. Okay. So now I am going to show you how to use the fill format mode. So this is our LibreOffice Writer. Now first I need to click on the style, and here I am applying the style, supposingly heading 1 title. Okay, so now you can see the difference. Okay, and if you want to change it, you can just apply the bold, italic. Okay, the indentation I was talking about, here it is, increase indent, decrease indent, or you can set the line spacing also. Okay, so that was the indentation which I was talking about. Okay, so in that particular paragraph or in that particular selection, I have applied the title style. Now what if I need to apply the same title to this paragraph also? So I will select fill format mode. Okay, from here it is the fill format mode. Now you can see my mouse pointer has been changed. I will just what? Click it. Okay. If I am going to click it, then you can observe that our paragraph has been changed. Okay, here you can see it has been changed to title. Okay, now supposingly if I'm quitting this fill format mode, I'm just clicking on this icon. Here it is. I'm applying a new heading so you can better differentiate. This is also not good. I'm not finding any appropriate heading so I can differentiate it. After selecting the table styling in this paragraph, supposingly that I need this table style in this paragraph also. So what I will do this. Here you can see the difference. Now it has changed in the table style also. So I'm hoping that you understood how to use the fill format mode. First, you need to apply a style, and then you need to click on the fill format mode. Now your mouse pointer will be changed, and wherever you want to apply that same style, you can apply it by just selecting it. Okay, so this is how you can use the fill format mode. So this is how I have taught you, or I have told you how to use the fill format mode. Now we will understand some keyboard shortcuts. Yes, so some keyboard shortcuts for applying styles are predefined. For example, if you will press Ctrl+0, then it will apply the text body style. Okay, and if you will press the Ctrl+1, then it will apply heading 1 style. And yes, for instance, if you are pressing Ctrl+2, then it will apply the heading 2 style. तो कुछ जो कीबोर्ड स्टाइल्स होते हैं, कुछ कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट्स होते हैं जो पहले से ही प्री डिफाइंड होते हैं, यानी कि पहले से ही सेट किए गए होते हैं बाय द लिब्रियोफिस राइटर इटसेल्फ, कि जब आप Ctrl+0 ऐड कर रहे हो, Ctrl+0 प्रेस कर रहे हो और आपने कोई सेलेक्ट कर रखा है पैराग्राफ, तो आपको टेक्स्ट बॉडी स्टाइल दे देगा, जो हमने देखा अभी टेक्स्ट बॉडी है उसमें, और उसके अंदर टेबल बॉडी स्टाइल भी है. ठीक है, अगर आप Ctrl+1 करते हो किसी पैराग्राफ के ऊपर, तो आपको वो ऑटोमेटिकली ही आपको हेडिंग 1 स्टाइल में कन्वर्ट करके दे देगा. And yes, if you are pressing Ctrl+2 to our any selected paragraph, then it will apply the heading 2 style on that paragraph. Okay, so that was the keyboard shortcuts. Now we will understand the creating and updating new style from selection. Okay, तो न्यू स्टाइल सिलेक्शन क्या होता है? देखिए, हमने सारी स्टाइल्स की बात की. अब हमारा जो नया टॉपिक है वो है न्यू स्टाइल. न्यू स्टाइल यानी कि अब आप अपने स्टाइल खुद क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं. यू डोंट वांट टू use that same set of style. Okay, so styles are the part of the document properties. Therefore, new styles we create or formatting changes we make to an existing style are available only within the document they belong to. Mark my point, students. Whatever the changes you are doing in your styling, it will be reflected only on your current document. It will not be reflected to the whole LibreOffice writer. Okay, so styling, we can also update the style, the predefined or the existing style. Supposingly that we can increase or decrease the font size. Okay, and yes, if you want to create your own style, then you can also create it. Okay, I will show you how to create your own style. So first we need to understand it vertical. The topic is new style from selection. Use new style to create a new style from the formatting of an item in the current document. Once again, mark my point, we are considering the current document only. Okay, for example, we can change the formatting of a paragraph until it appears as we like, and then we can turn the formatting into a new style. For example, आप क्या कर सकते हो, पैराग्राफ को आप सेलेक्ट करो, उसकी फॉर्मेटिंग करो, उसको बोल्ड, इटैलिक, आपको इंडेंटेशन सेट करनी है, इंडेंटेशन सेट कर लो, लाइन स्पेसिंग सेट करनी है, आप उसको कर लो, उसकी डिजाइनिंग आप चेंज कर लो. व्हाटएवर the formatting you want to apply in your paragraph, you apply on it. Okay, अब सपोजिंगली आपने वो पैराग्राफ स्टाइल अपने हिसाब से कर लिया है। अब आप ये स्क्रीन पर ही देख सकते हैं, जैसे कि मैंने इस पैराग्राफ में क्या कर रखा है, 1.5 की लाइन स्पेसिंग दे रखी है, इंडेंटेशन मैंने एकदम नॉर्मल कर रखा है, मैंने इसके अंदर टाइम्स न्यू रोमन फॉन्ट यूज कर रखा है और फॉन्ट साइज का 15 है, और मैंने इसके यहाँ पर केवल बोल्ड कर रखा है और इसका रेड कलर कर रखा है। ठीक है, तो ये जो चेंजेस हैं ये मैंने अपने इस पैराग्राफ में कर रखा है। अगर मुझे यही सेम पैराग्राफ वाली स्टाइलिंग चाहिए तो मैं इसको क्या करूंगा, सेव कर लूंगा या क्रिएट कर लूंगा। ठीक है, अब देखिए यहाँ पर इसने क्या कहा कि आप वी कैन चेंज द फॉर्मेटिंग, this procedure can save time because we do not have to remember all the formatting settings we want. Okay, तो ये स्टेप, ये जो न्यू स्टाइल वाला स्टेप है, अगर आप इसको फॉलो करते हैं तो इससे हम क्या बच सकते हैं कि अगर मुझे सेम सेट ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज चाहिए देन आपको बार बार वही सेम सेटिंग्स, सेम पैरामीटर्स याद करने की नीड नहीं रहेगी। आप बस अपने स्टाइल का नाम याद करिए और उसको बस सेलेक्ट कीजिए, उसके बाद वो इंडेंटेशन, बोल्ड, इटैलिक वापस वो सब पर अप्लाई हो जाएगा। ओके, सो it is necessary when creating a new style with style dialog box. In addition, we can immediately see how the item will look when formatted when the style we are creating. So follow the step. First, change the formatting of object. What do you mean by the object? Object may be the paragraph, frame, etc. So for the icons at the top of the window, choose the category of style to create. Now we will click on which kind of styling we are going to give our paragraph, okay, or the text, whatever the object is. So in the document, select the item to save as a style. Now first you have created a paragraph, you manipulated it according to you. Now please save it also. The main concern, the main steps begin from the step 4. Go back to the style deck and click on the new style from the selection icon. Then select new style from the menu. The create style dialog opens. Very obvious to understand. एक बार जब आपने स्टाइलिंग कर ली अपने पैराग्राफ की, तो अब आप क्या करेंगे कि उसको न्यू स्टाइल में कन्वर्ट करना चाहेंगे। And if you want to convert it as a new style, then you click on the new style option. Very obvious to understand. और वो आपको कहाँ मिलेगा, selection icon में. Then select new style from the menu. अब आपको क्या करना है, न्यू स्टाइल को सेलेक्ट करना है। Then your create style dialog open, और आप जो आपका जो नया डायलॉग बॉक्स होगा वो किसका होगा, create style का। Then it will ask you to type a name. That means you need to label your style. The list shows the name of existing custom styles of the selected type. If any, click OK to save the new style. Give any appropriate name to your style. And if it is already existing, then it will not allow you to repeat it. Or if you are repeating the name, then it will overwrite also. So yes, please try to give the unique name of your style and then click on the OK. Now I will show you how to create your own style and apply it to your text. Let's look. So for example, that we have this paragraph here. Okay. Now, first I have created this paragraph. Now I will manipulate it. I will update it. I will enhance it according to me. Supposingly I am giving all, let's bold, italic, and I'm increasing its indent also. Here it is. Okay. Now I have created it. And yes, if I want to apply the any kind of heading, I can also apply the head. I can also apply the style also. For instance, I'm using complementary clause. Okay, I'm using the complementary clause, or for better understanding, I'm selecting the heading one. Okay, that. So I'm here saving it as an example. Now I have closed my style deck. Now I need to create this paragraph as my new style. So once again, I will go to the style tab. Here is the style action. Here you can find the new style from selection. Now I will give the name. Okay, what I will give the name is example. Here you can find that no other style or no other user defined style is mentioned here. So now it is available. Okay, here you can see the example. Here you can see the example. Now we have created a new style named as example. Now this is my text. And yes, I haven't created it yet. I'm going to here, new style, supposingly LPS. Okay, here it is, the LPS. Here you can see the LPS style here. Okay, now you can see the difference. मैंने यहाँ पर अपना नाम लिखा था प्रवीण त्रिपाठी, वो कैसा था देखिए, अगर आप देखेंगे तो ये इस टाइप में दिख रहा है, नॉर्मल टाइप में, बट अब मैं इसके अंदर LPS नाम का जो है स्टाइल अगर यूज करना चाहता हूँ तो आई कैन यूज द LPS स्टाइल आल्सो। ठीक है, यहाँ पर मैंने जो खुद का स्टाइल बनाया वो किस नाम से था, LPS, और वो अब वर्क भी कर रहा है, यानी कि मैं उसको दूसरे टेक्स्ट के ऊपर भी अप्लाई कर सकता हूँ। सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन क्रिएट योर new style also, create your own style also. What you need to do is, once again I'm repeating all the steps. First you need to create a paragraph, manipulate it, design it according to you, then you need to select it. You need to select it first, then go on the new style in the style action. Okay, then name your style whatever the name you want to give, and then click on the OK. And yes, once you've pressed the OK, now your style is ready to use. Okay, so this is how you have understood how to create a new style, or you can say your own style.